Hi friends. Now we are going to facing our India map. They are given their states and their capital. Come, now we are going to face. First priority to our Tamil Nadu. This is our state. And our nearest state, Kerala. State, Karnataka. Okay. And Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Now we are facing Telangana. I am going to Telangana. Hyderabad. Telangana. Maharashtra. This Maharashtra. Gujarat. Rajasthan. Biggest state in India, Rajasthan. Odisha. My US ma'am Shanti ma'am only takes these 7 sisters and 28 states and 8 union territories. Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland. Okay? And Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura. Okay? Arunachal Pradesh. Now we are facing shoulder of the India, the Bihar. See, the full India map will be ready.